dinner cruise.
Yes, 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 I do.
Gutom na.
If there's no sunset, we will take a rebook.
It's okay.
Sasampa na siya na. Yan.
Pretty. Yes, because I'm not into alcohol. So sparkling red grape.
Mapadol dito ba kuno?
Yeah, marmoni po just.
Mabot di siya dito dapat unta.
Yes.
Yung labi.
Yay! Ah. Thank you for this night. Hi, Babu. So, we're hiking going to Papa's grave. Hiking yun. Di ba tao? Since I got engaged last night, so of course, visit ta. Kamay na lang. Okay, there. The green one.
The view.
View from the top. So, si Philip na'y bahala mag-light sa kanto. Ano yun ata?